In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel to Google Sheets automatically. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or keeping track of your personal data, importing Excel files into Google Sheets is a convenient and efficient way to manage your spreadsheets. So, let's explore this process step by step. First, open your Google Sheets. You can do this by logging into your Google account and navigating to the Google Sheets homepage. If you're already logged in, you can also click on the Google Apps icon and select Google Sheets from the options. Once you're in, open a new blank spreadsheet to get started. Now that you're in your Google Sheet, focus your attention towards the top left of the screen and locate the File option in the main menu bar. Click it, unraveling a drop-down menu with various options and settings related to your spreadsheet. From this drop-down menu, click on the Import option. Clicking Import will allow you to bring new data into your current spreadsheet from an external source, like an Excel file. Your screen will now present various options to help you get that file into Sheets. When the Import options pop up on your screen, you'll notice an Upload tab. Click on this Upload tab to start the process of bringing your Excel file into Google Sheets. There's a blue button labeled Browse, which you should also click. This button lets you search and select files from your computer. Once you've selected Browse, your computer's File Explorer will open. From here, find the Excel file you wish to import. You can choose your file from any location on your device. It just needs to be in a format recognized by Google Sheets. Double-click the Excel file or select it and click Open. With your file chosen, the next stage is to decide how you want this new data to appear in your Google Sheets. You'll see an option to Create New Spreadsheet. Click on this if you prefer to have a fresh spreadsheet dedicated to this set of data. Alternatively, if you want to replace the contents of your current sheet with the data from the Excel file, you can choose Replace Spreadsheet. Finally, you come to the last click, the Import Data button. Clicking this will start the import process. Depending on the size of your Excel file and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once completed, the data from your Excel file will be available in your Google Sheets, ready for you to manipulate or share with others as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your Excel file into Google Sheets. This process can save you time and make it easier to collaborate with others, all while maintaining your data's integrity across platforms. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.